Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off 200 megabyte download limit on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on App Store. Next, in here, scroll down to the cellular data section and then tap on App Downloads. Now, if you want to allow app to download over 200 megabyte without asking, you can select Always Allow or Ask if over 200 megabyte or Always Ask. So select one of the options. So to turn off this limit, you can choose Always Allow. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.